Our patent-pending modular building system reduces building costs and significantly reduces on-site construction timelines. The wall sections are prefabricated in a controlled environment, providing superior quality control and maximum production efficiency. Official openings are advanced by weeks and under budget compared to those of traditional construction methods. The wall sections are shipped flat to maximize transportation efficiencies and lifted onto the prepared concrete slab. This building's 40-foot end walls and 61-foot long walls consist of a specially designed structural steel frame finished with steel laminated closed-cell foam core insulated panels. The 2,440 square foot roughed-in roof assembly is mounted on top of the walls. In only 7 hours, the walls and roughed-in roof assembly are completely installed. Weather sealant and flashing is installed at the joint between the parapet and the wall, followed by steel laminated insulated panels while the roof is insulated and sealed. Then we complete the building with our custom fabricated corporate imaging fascia. The modular wall system provides hurricane-rated structural support, an insulation value from R7 to R77, and a continuous vapor barrier all in one composite system. Roof systems are available in steel or wood with a variety of pitches and roof design styles. Corporate imaging fascia can be custom designed and fabricated or sourced from your existing suppliers.
We manufacture energy-efficient modular buildings for a variety of markets, some of which include commercial office buildings, retail, residential housing and resort buildings, industrial buildings, specific purpose buildings such as wind farm control buildings, telecommunication tower equipment shelters, satellite gateway buildings, and hazardous material storage, mining, oil and gas and utility camps, and disaster relief housing and military portable shelters. The roof and walls of the buildings shown here are made of steel laminated closed-cell foam core insulated panels, which economically provide an exterior sheathing, an uninterrupted layer of insulation free from hot or cold transfer gaps, insect and rodent resistance, a continuous vapor barrier, and interior sheathing, all in one complete system. The frames of our buildings are made of structural steel, which contains mostly recycled material and has been engineered to provide hurricane-rated strength and low maintenance in the harshest of hot and cold, dry, and corrosive environments. The building components are prefabricated in enclosed ISO-certified facilities, greatly increasing economic efficiencies and quality control. Our modular buildings, or modular components, significantly reduce transportation costs and on-site installation costs. Designed for rapid on-site assembly, MacGregor's portable buildings are airtight and extremely energy efficient. The modular panels are shipped flat for efficient transportation and are designed for carriage by the Hercules aircraft. Each module is 8 foot 6 inches wide by 51 feet long and can be joined to additional modules end to end, side to side, and can also be stacked 3 stories high to form a building of any size. When it is time to relocate the buildings, simply disconnect the 32 bolts per module and the vapor barrier seals along each joint and transport the panels flat for reconnection at the next location.
The 51-foot long module arrives on site, sitting only 43 inches higher on the trailer, allowing 3 buildings to be transported by 1 tractor trailer or 2 buildings by 1 Hercules aircraft. The lifting equipment gets into position to remove the module. The heaviest panel is the floor, which weighs less than 4,000 pounds, allowing any boom with that capacity to do the job. This excavator is capable of lifting the entire module at once. The module is shipped with brackets joining each panel. These are removed on-site, allowing each panel to be lifted individually. Once the floor is in position and leveled, the long wall is lifted and bolted into place. Next, the 4-inch structural steel columns of the opposite long wall are erected and bolted into place. The roof is now ready to be secured, followed by the end wall. The building is extremely energy efficient. The walls have an insulation R value of 23, while the roof and floor have an R30 rating. In less than 2 hours from its arrival on site, This module is completely assembled and ready to be connected to additional modules on the open end wall, as well as the open long wall. In this case, 4 Hercules modules are joined together to form a 17 by 102 foot building. In the case of our standard 12-foot wide modules, 4 modules similarly joined would form a 24 by 102 foot building.
Our prefabricated components and modular building system can seamlessly integrate with your existing structure. The perfect solution for industrial construction or expansion, all of our building systems can be erected and installed by locally available labor with little skilled trades involvement. Building materials can be supplied by MacGregor's or sourced from your existing suppliers. The degree of prefabrication can vary depending on the needs of the client, import duty restrictions, and transportation efficiencies. A variety of building options are available to address these requirements, some of which include a completely prefabricated building with an insulated floor ready for on-site installation on almost any support system, a prefabricated building without a floor ready for on-site installation on a cement slab, 2 or more prefabricated buildings ready to be joined together on-site to create one large building, and a series of prefabricated modular wall and roof panels shipped flat for efficient transportation and joined together on-site. We can provide the building as an empty shell, or we can provide all of the required electrical and mechanical equipment pre-installed for immediate on-site commissioning. There are a number of guiding principles behind every modular building MacGregor's produces. These are to maximize energy efficiency while minimizing environmental impact, increase transportation efficiency by shipping in completed modules or modular components, increased quality control and reduced costs by fabricating in a controlled environment, reduced on-site material waste, and that only proven high-quality materials are utilized in construction. These guidelines allow us to continuously provide clients with a completed project on time and on budget.